Having trouble. Can't seem to find my quote-unquote flow. I don't know, man. I'm trying. I watch other people's videos, and it's like, you know, how do they do that? They're so smooth, and it's like, I question: do you know what the next trick you're gonna do before you go out? I mean, do you walk where you're gonna fly first and kind of get ideas? I mean, for me, I just kind of pull up to a place and just kind of go for it. So, I mean, should I have a plan beforehand? I mean, I'm just having some trouble. I mean, finding a rhythm and doing like what moves to do when and where, and actually how to do the moves. I can't even do a simple power loop. So, I mean, it's kind of frustrating, but I don't know. That's all I can do is practice. Practice, practice, practice. So what's up, FPV NewTube? Ant here, Ant FPV. Just out here flying this new spot. Trying to find my flow, if you can say that. And I just don't know what to do, I guess, basically. Man, I've been trying to power loop, and I can't even basically do the basic power loop. I'm not exactly sure what I'm doing. I can do it in a sim all day long, but when I bring it out here to the real world, it's just not happening for me. You know, I don't know what to do. I mean, I watch Icky's vids, shout out Icky, and it's like, man, you know, I look up to him, so it's like, I wish I could do half the stuff that he does. So, and all you can do is practice and practice, so that's basically what I've been out here trying to do, but it's so frustrating when you think you can do it, you know in your head you can do it in a sim anytime you want, but when you come out here and you try to do it, just doesn't work. I mean, I smoked like my, I don't know, 4th, 5th Mr. Steel motor, and as you guys know, those things aren't cheap, so I don't know. I guess all I can do is practice But yeah, what are you gonna do?